G'day ladies and gentlemen, my name is Rexer's Game and I hope you like a little stop motion. Well, today we're doing another review. Did I just shake? What just fell? Anyways, today I am reviewing the Dino rivals Indoraptor. Sorry about the lighting, it is very bad. Okay, that should be better. Let me just focus on the head sculpt. Because, trust me, it is an amazing head sculpt. God damn. Anyways, as soon as I figure it out, here it goes. Anyways, it can open its head that way. It can do 360 on the head. It has a neck tool, which can also do a 360. Its arms can do a 360. Elbow joints do a 360. Hand joints do a 360. Legs, let's see. Legs do a 360. And hold on. By the way, and knee joints can do a 360. Foot joints can do a 360. They can extend that far. And tail joint it has a ball joint, but it cannot go 360. And this is also on a ball joint, and it can stand up that high. Now, in comparison from my elbow to my hand, it's pretty big. Now, onto the sculpt, it has a it's out of frame. By the way, my tripod's broken, so this is why this review is kind of stupid. Anyways, the head sculpt is done like amazingly well. If I can even focus my camera on it. Anyways, if I can just block the light, kind of hard to see, but he does have a red eye, and that little pattern. Now the inside of the mouth is pink. Top's not black, this part's not black, and it has a nice row of teeth. It has its little hair doohickeys. Oh, here's here. Nice golden stripe going down. And more doohickeys here. And a nice claw. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this review. Now, on to the next part. Stop motion video. Okay guys, now we're gonna give shout outs to we're gonna give shout outs to Snap CT, TT, Relic, also known as Remix 7, blah blah blah, Vibe CT, Scarlet Ring, Merchandise Life, and my fellow companion in the future, Wolf Peace Gaming. Anyways, that's it for now, and bye bye!